guys, so in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you all my top 7 products from Amazon under rupees 500. All of these products are so essential for the winters. You just have to try them out, and I've included products from skincare, hair care, body care and lip care. So you're going to find all kinds of beauty categories in this video, and the reason why I recommend you guys to purchase these products from Amazon is because Amazon is currently running this huge sale. So when you purchase these products from Amazon, you will be getting so many discounts and deals that you will be able to save on a lot of money if you shop them from Amazon. So I'm going to leave all the purchase links in the description box below. You can check that out, and without any further ado, let's just quickly dive in today's video and check out my top 7 picks from Amazon under 500. The first product that I have is Vaseline Cocoa Glow Whipped Body Butter. Look at how big this tub is. It has 180 grams of product and it will easily last you for at least 2 months, even if you use this on your entire body. This is enriched with cocoa butter, shea butter and vitamin E, and oh my god, it is so nourishing. Let me just show you the consistency of this first. So this is what it looks like. And when you take out the product, it literally comes out in the form of a butter, a whipped butter, something that's been whipped so well. Like, the consistency is so soft. I have never seen such a soft body butter in my entire life. I've never used such a soft one, and it's so soft. It blends in the skin so well, and it's super nourishing. It's got that very rich texture. Even though the texture is so soft and so blendable, it's so rich. It nourishes your skin like no other body butter. If you have dry to very dry skin, you're gonna love this body butter. Moreover, it smells exactly like cocoa. It smells exactly like chocolate. Love the fragrance of this. When you use this all over your body, it's instantly going to revive you and make you feel all nice and awake and fresh because of the chocolatey fragrance of this. It's going to lighten up your mood, and the fragrance is so seductive as well. So I highly recommend this for the winter season. It's very soft and blendable, yet it's very rich and nourishing, and it smells amazing. The second product that I have is a must-have for your hair. This is L'Oreal Paris Hyaluron Moisture Hydra Filling Night Cream. You know how you apply night creams all over your face? This is a night cream for your hair, and it is so good. If you have frizzy hair, you know winters mein kaise baal bahut frizzy ho jate hain, but the reason why my hair still remains manageable is because of this product. I use it every single night, especially during the winters, all over the length of my hair. So all you need is just like a pea-sized amount of the product. Spread it all across your palm and fingers and just run it through the length of your hair. Just like that, until all the product is absorbed by the length of your hair. And then you can go to bed, and the next morning when you get up, you're gonna have the softest, most manageable hair. You can literally like click a picture of yourself with your hair and put the hashtag I woke up like this. That is how good your hair is gonna look in the morning. So this is like an overnight treatment for your hair. Like, you can use it every single night, or you can use it before special occasions, but I recommend using it during the night time so that it has so much time to like nourish your hair and to provide so much of nourishment to your hair. If you just apply it like a regular serum on your hair, then it's not going to work so well because it needs a little bit of time to like work its magic into your hair. So use it as an overnight mask, and you'll wake up with the smoothest, softest, most manageable hair every single day. Okay, next up I have this lip balm that I really have to talk about. Like, I have used so many good lip balms, but this one is the best out of all the others that I've ever used. This is by Chapstick, and this is like a clear lip balm. It doesn't have any tint, it doesn't have any fragrance or flavor, but all it does is moisturize and nourish the lips. When you like apply it on your lips, it just glides so smoothly. It's not at all waxy, but it glides so smoothly, and it hydrates the lips so well. Like, so nourishing. And the best part about this is that it has an SPF of 15, so it also gives you sun protection. So it hydrates the lips, gives sun protection, and it provides that nourishment to your lips for up to 8 hours. So it provides a very long time nourishment to your lips, and this is one of the best lip balms that I've ever used, one of the best clear lip balms that I've ever used. I have used Nivea Original Care lip balm, but this one is like 10 times better than that. I love that lip balm so much, but after using this, I just cannot stop using this. This is that good. So if you're looking for a clear lip balm which will give you a lot of nourishment and some sun protection, then you can try this one out. It's amazing for the winters. Okay, next up I have this sunscreen, and this is the only sunscreen that I have been using ever since the winters began. I tried using a lot of sunscreens, but I keep coming back to this one because the others are just not working that well for me. This is by the Derma. It's their 1% hyaluronic acid sunscreen aqua gel. And the reason why I love this so much is because it's got hyaluronic acid and vitamin E, and while giving sun protection, this also hydrates and moisturizes the skin. Let me show you the consistency of this one. So this is what the sunscreen looks like, and as you can see, it literally dissolves like water into the skin. It's so blendable. I love the consistency. It's so lightweight. It doesn't feel oily or greasy at all. Instead, it hydrates and moisturizes the skin so well while giving sun protection. With all the other sunscreens that I've used, they sort of feel a little dry while you're trying to like blend it completely, and some of them also start pilling a little bit, but that doesn't happen with this sunscreen at all. It feels like a moisturizer on the skin, and yet it gives you sun protection. So this contains an SPF of 50 PA 4+. It gives you UVA, UVB protection and blue light protection. So indoor and outdoor protection दोनों आपको मिल रहे हैं. And this is also fragrance free, so it's great for sensitive skin too. This is suitable for acne prone skin too. I have acne prone skin and this works for me. Okay, next up I have this face wash that you just have to try out if you have dry or damaged skin, or if you have sensitive skin. Like most of the other face washes, especially during the winters, they sort of dry out the skin, but that doesn't happen with this one. This is by Dot & Key. It's their barrier repair and hydrating face wash. It's a very gentle face wash. It only foams up a little bit, a very tiny amount, and yet it cleans the skin so well, makes you feel very, very refreshed. And this also helps in repairing your barrier. So if your skin is very sensitive or if it's very damaged, this is going to be very gentle for your skin. It's going to help to repair your skin while cleaning it. This also has a pH of 5.5, which is the ideal pH that your face has to have. And if your pH is like disturbed, this will also help to balance out your pH level. This has hyaluronic acid and rice water, which will also hydrate your skin while cleaning it. So your skin is not going to become dry after you wash this face wash. It's also soap free and sulfate free, and it's dermatologically tested. So if you're looking for a good face wash, this is the one that you should try out during the winter time. Okay, next up I have this multi-purpose cream that you have to try out during the winters. This is by the Derma. It's their 4% Urea Deep Moisturizing Cream. Now this is like a 3-in-1 cream. It helps to moisturize your skin and nourish it. It also helps to brighten up your skin and smoothen it. And it helps in gentle exfoliation. Like when you apply this moisturizer, firstly, the consistency is quite good. I really like the consistency. It's neither too thick nor too thin. And when you apply this moisturizer and massage it, it absorbs deeply into your skin. Like after massaging it for a couple of seconds, you won't even feel like it's there on your skin. It's already deeply absorbed into your skin, and your skin will start feeling nourished from within. So once you like apply it and massage it, it deeply moisturizes your skin, it smoothens out your skin instantly, and it also gently exfoliates the skin. If you keep like rubbing your skin after using this moisturizer, you'll start seeing like tiny bits of dead skin cells on your skin. Can you see that? All of those black dots that are there, that's the dead skin cells that come off when you use this moisturizer. So that is the power of this moisturizer. It helps in gentle exfoliation, smoothing and brightening of your skin, and deep moisturization. So you can use this on your face, neck, on your hands and legs, all over your body, on your cracked heels, on your scaly elbows, pretty much anywhere on your body. Okay, so the final product that I have is something that I have been using for years now during the winter time. This is Head and Shoulders 2-in-1 shampoo plus conditioner. This is an anti-dandruff shampoo, and this is one of those shampoos that I keep going back to. I have tried so many anti-dandruff shampoos, and while they help in getting rid of my dandruff, I somehow keep going back to this one because my experience of using this is just so much better than using any other anti-dandruff shampoo. Because while I use this, my hair, my scalp, it just feels so much more refreshed than when I use like other anti-dandruff shampoos. I don't know how to put this, but that's just my personal experience, and that's why I keep going back to this. and this not just helps to clean my hair, but it also conditions my hair a little bit, so my scalp doesn't end up feeling dry. My hair also doesn't end up feeling dry after I shampoo with this. But with other anti-dandruff shampoos, my hair sort of starts feeling a little bit dry, and I have to go in with a deep moisturizing mask. But with this, I can just apply a regular conditioner or just a good hair serum and get done with it. So this doesn't dry out my hair while cleaning it. It helps to get rid of all of the dandruff in one single go, and if I keep using this, the dandruff doesn't come back. So this is like one of those shampoos that I keep going back to every winter, and it just feels so refreshing. So those are my 7 picks from Amazon under rupees 500 that you have to try out during the winters. These are all of the products that I use, and I use them on a daily basis, and they work so well for me. If you want to purchase them, get them from Amazon, because all the discounts and deals that you'll be getting, you'll be able to save on a lot of money. You can purchase all the products from the links in the description box below. So yeah, that was my video for today. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. Subscribe if you're new here, follow me on Instagram, and yeah, with that, it's a wrap for now. I shall see you in my next video.